Hello children, welcome to part 5 of chapter 1 Building with Bricks of class 4. Today we are going to learn about brick, its measure and how it is made. So let's proceed. So here we'll start with some of the textual questions. This is from page number 10 of your textbook. Different kinds of bricks. Jamal and Kalu show photos of different kinds of bricks their grandfathers used. Which of these bricks have curved edges? Well, the bricks have been numbered, and if you look at each of them carefully, you can find out which of them have curved edges. Yes, you are right. Brick 1 and 2 have curved edges. Brick 3 may look like it has a curved edge, but because it has broken edges, we cannot consider it under curved edge. So, bricks 1 and 2 have curved edges. How many faces do you see of the longest brick? Well, brick number 8 is the longest brick. And how many faces can you see? Well, I can see 2 faces of the longest brick, isn't it? Is there any brick which has more than 6 faces? Yes, there is a brick, that is brick number 3, having more than 6 faces. It has a broken part which increases its number of faces, isn't it? Well, next we are going to try to measure the different dimensions of a brick. So I have taken a brick here and I am going to measure its dimensions. How long is it? Well, the brick is 19 centimeter long. How wide is it? It is 9 centimeter wide. That is, its breadth is 9 centimeter. How high is it? Its height is around again 9 centimeter. Now, there are different kinds of bricks. So, you can try and measure them and find out their dimensions. The measures may be different depending on the size of the brick. Okay? Munia wants to make a wall 1 meter long. How many bricks will she need to put in a line? Well, in the previous question, we had seen that length of one brick is 19 centimeter. So, length of 5 bricks, that is, if she arranges one beside the other, 5 bricks, its total measure would be 19 5s are 95 centimeter. And we know that 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So, she would be needing more than 5 bricks and less than 6 bricks to make a wall 1 meter long. Right? Now, can you guess how high is the chimney here? Well, about 5 meters, about 15 meters, about 50 meters. Well, the brick kiln has a quite high chimney. So, its height is about 50 meters. Now, here are 4 pictures from the brick kiln. These pictures are jumbled up. Look at them carefully and write the correct order. So, let's have a look at them first. Picture A, you can see the bricks are arranged properly in a line, isn't it? Picture B, you can see a young boy removing the brick from its mold. Picture C, you can see some people digging the soil and trying to remove it for making a brick. Then D, we see the boy trying to put the clay in the mold to give it the shape of a brick. So before we move on to write the correct answer, let's first try and understand how a brick is made. The process of manufacturing of bricks from clay involves 4 different operations, which are: first, preparation of clay. For this, the soil is dug up. All the waste like small pieces of stones, leaves, all the impurities are removed, and then it is ground to make a fine powder. To this powder, water is added to form a dough. You can see the person kneading the clay with the feet. Then the next step is molding. This clay is then taken and put in molds and given the shape of a brick. On the right hand side, you can see this is being done with a machine. Let's move to the next step. The third step is drying. That is, it's arranged in such a way that air passes through it and it can dry easily. Sometimes it takes 3 to 10 days to dry the bricks. On the left hand side, it's manually done. On the right hand side, a machine is laying it by leaving some gaps. Now comes the last step, that is burning. All these bricks are then put into a brick kiln so that it becomes hard and can be used for construction. Okay, so bricks are baked so that they become hard. So this is the process of making of a brick. Now let's try and arrange the jumbled pictures. The correct order is C, D, B, A. So let's see what are they. First the clay is removed, isn't it? Next, they put it in the mold. Third step, removing the mold. And the fourth step, arranging it for drying. So this is the correct order of making of bricks. Now, have you seen a brick kiln? Did you try to guess the number of bricks kept there? Well, yes, I have seen a brick kiln. There are more than 1 lakh bricks kept in a brick kiln. Can you try to write 1 lakh? Yes, it can be written as 1, 00, 000. That is 1, 5 zeros for 1 lakh. Look at these photos and guess how many bricks are carried by this truck. It's carrying around 5,000 bricks. Depending on the size of the truck, it can even carry more bricks too. Okay. Now let's come to some word problems of the chapter from textbook page number 12. Bhajan went to buy bricks. The price was given for 1000 bricks. Observe the table and answer the questions. Old bricks cost Rs 1200 for 1000 bricks. New bricks from Intapur cost Rs 1800 for 1000 bricks. And the new bricks from Brickabad cost Rs 2000 for 1000 bricks. Bhajan decided to buy bricks from Brickabad. He bought 3000 bricks. So how much did he pay? Well, cost of 1000 bricks from Brickabad is Rs 2000. So cost of 3000 bricks would be 2000 multiplied by number of bricks he wants to buy, that is 3000, upon the base of the bricks, that is 1000 bricks. So if we cancel out the zeros, then what is left? 2 3s are, that is 2 3s are 6, and the 3 zeros. So he has to pay Rs 6000 for the new bricks from Brickabad. I hope it's clear to all of you. Well, how much will Bhajan pay if he buys 500 old bricks? Cost of 1000 old bricks is Rs 1200 and 500 is half of 1000. So, half of 1000 means divide by 2. So, if cost of 1000 bricks is Rs 1200, dividing 1200 by 2, we get Rs 600. So, Bhajan pays Rs 600 for 500 old bricks. Well, with this, we come to the end of the chapter. I hope all of you enjoyed and learnt all the topics clearly. So children, Bye for now. If you did like my video, please do click on the like button, subscribe and share. See you all soon with the next chapter. Bye till then.